Have you been hearing everyone talk about ChatGPT and wondering what all the excitement is about? Maybe you're curious, but every tutorial you find seems way too technical. If that's you, don't worry, you've found the right channel. I'm Carrie, and I'm learning AI right alongside you. My goal is to make AI simple for everyday people without all the confusing tech talk. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with ChatGPT, even if you've never used it before. Before we jump in, I want you to know something. You don't have to be good with computers. You don't have to know coding. You don't need a tech degree. If you can type a question into Google, you can use ChatGPT. That's how I started. By the end of this video, you'll know how to ask ChatGPT questions and get helpful answers. So what is ChatGPT? Think of it like having a super helpful assistant that's available 24 hours a day. You can ask it questions, have it explain difficult topics, help write emails, brainstorm ideas, plan meals, create grocery lists, even help you learn new skills. The better your question, the better the answer you'll usually get. Let's try it together. Let's imagine I want to plan meals for this week. I'll type, create a simple meal plan for one person with a grocery list. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT gives me ideas I can customize. Now let's try something else. Type explain artificial intelligence like I'm a 10-year-old. Notice how easy that explanation is to understand? That's one of my favorite things about ChatGPT. It can simplify complicated topics. Here are a few tips that will save you frustration. Tip number 1, don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. You can keep the conversation going just like talking to a person. Tip number 2, be specific. Instead of write me an email, write a friendly email thanking my neighbor for watering my plants while I was away. The more details you give, the better the response. Tip number 3, experiment. There isn't just one right way to use ChatGPT. Try different prompts and see what works best for you. My challenge to you, before you leave this video, I want you to try ChatGPT for yourself. Gets to be a tongue twister. Ask it one simple question. It could be, plan my meals, give me a healthy recipe, explain something I don't understand, help me write an email, give me ideas for a birthday party. Just ask one question. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Remember, this channel isn't about becoming a computer expert. It's about learning how AI can make everyday life a little easier. Every week, we'll learn something new together, one simple step at a time. If this video helped you, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me on this journey. And before you go, leave a comment telling me what was the very first thing you asked ChatGPT. Remember, you don't have to learn AI overnight. Just learn one simple step today, and I'll meet you back here for the next one. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and let's make AI simple together.